At Edge Products, we bring you the ultimate solutions for adjusting power and features with our top-notch tuners and display monitors. Take control of your truck's performance with the ease and precision that you've always wanted. Edge's tuners allow you to make adjustments to the power control module in your vehicle. This includes changes to the engine or transmission tune, ignition timing, air-fuel adjustments, and transmission shift points. These all work to make your driving experience better. These adjustments can enhance performance, throttle response, towing power, and potentially improve fuel efficiency. The Easy Tuner is an entry-level, simple plug-and-play module. It provides mild gains best suited for towing and increased fuel mileage. Whether you're daily driving, off-roading, towing the boat, RV, or making that long road trip, Edge Products has something for your truck. Learn more about our extensive line of devices at edgeproducts.com.